What's up, YouTube? This is TritonTv. I've been having an issue recently. It just popped up a few days ago, and apparently I'm not the only one. So I wanted to make a video on this. So if you're having the same issue, this should hopefully fix it. So I've been recording a lot of Subnautica stuff, and I've never had issues playing these back. So I'm going to show you what the issue is. So I click on something, Windows Media Player is my main thing, and it says this right here, right? And maybe you can download codecs and whatnot, but let's go ahead and try the fix that I found online. We're going to go to settings here. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to apps. We're going to go to media player. All right, let's try it. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. So ridiculous. Anyway, if you're having that problem, that's how you fix it. Thanks, have a good one.